Most gardeners think dead soil just needs food, so they bury things like rice, hoping microbes will wake up. But here's the strange part. Some gardens explode with life when rice is added. And others, they grow mold, attract gnats, and plants stall. So what's the difference? Here's the truth almost nobody explains. Rice doesn't wake up your soil. It reveals your soil. And if you want to actually bring tired soil back to life, you have to understand what soil microbes are really waiting for. When gardeners say soil is dead, they usually mean one thing. Nothing is happening underground. Plants grow slowly, roots struggle, and fertilizers seem to disappear without results. But most of the time the problem isn't lack of nutrients. It's lack of life. Healthy soil is full of organisms, bacteria, fungi, microbes, and these tiny workers are the ones that turn organic material into plant food. But they only thrive under the right conditions. If soil becomes compacted, if water sits too long, or if oxygen can't move through the soil, those microbes slow down or disappear. And when that happens, soil stops behaving like living soil. It becomes dirt. This is why the rice trick sometimes seems magical. Rice is mostly starch, and microbes love starch. When rice breaks down underground, it becomes quick energy for bacteria. So if your soil already has oxygen, good drainage, and an active microbial population, adding rice can cause a sudden burst of activity. It's like throwing fuel on a fire that's already burning. But if the soil doesn't have those conditions, that same rice can feed the wrong things. Mold, fungus, gnats, anaerobic bacteria that thrive without oxygen. So the rice didn't fix the soil. It simply revealed the environment underground. Here's a simple test most gardeners never try. Take a small piece of plain cardboard, bury it a few inches deep in your garden bed. Then come back in 2 weeks. If the cardboard is already soft, or starting to disappear, that means microbes are actively breaking it down. Your soil is alive. But if the cardboard looks almost unchanged, that's a sign the underground ecosystem needs help. And that's where real soil building begins. The truth is, soil life doesn't wake up because of one ingredient. It wakes up when the environment becomes friendly again. Microbes need 4 simple things: oxygen, moisture balance, organic matter, and stable structure. When soil stays loose and breathable, when organic material like compost or leaves are added, and when moisture stays balanced instead of soggy, microbes naturally return. No hacks required. If you want to wake up tired soil the smart way, focus on slow, reliable inputs. Compost, leaf mulch, cover crops, even diluted compost tea. These feed the underground ecosystem gradually, instead of shocking the soil with sudden starch. And over time, that living system becomes stable, which means plants grow stronger with less effort. Here's the real lesson. Gardeners often chase ingredients: rice, coffee grounds, banana peels. But healthy soil was never built by chasing tricks. It was built by supporting the life that already wants to grow there. When that life is supported, your garden stops needing constant fixes and starts working with you. If this video helped you understand what's really happening underground, subscribe to Guide to Green Thumb. Sometimes the most interesting clues about soil health come from experiments that didn't go as planned.